I am Gajanan Namdev Savali. Today's date is 10 December 2021. Today's our discussion topic is why string is immutable in Java. In generally, string are a very special class in Java. In Java, string are used in every project and every program. And the string is object. It can be stores the sequence of character in Java. It is also store the alphanumeric value in double quotes. It is also called as character of array. In Java, string are declared using two ways. First one is string literal. Second one is by using the new keywords. First one is string literal. By using string literal, we can be create the string objects in a SCP. That means string constant pools. It can be uh, internally handled by the JVM. That means Java Virtual Machine. In string constant pool, using string literal, we can create the only one objects, uh, only one object, and this create the when the already string is not present in SCP. When string already present in SCP, Java not allowed to create another object. Uh, it can be only uh, uh, share the reference variable for our use. Uh, in Java, when we want to create the we want to change the string value, then JVM is create the another object for this string value. It cannot be update the previous value, previous previous string objects. So this is called as the string immutability in Java. Uh, why use immutability? String immutable in Java is the for security, for better performance, synchronization, and another purpose. Suppose we have as same only one object. It can be refer the various reference variable for our use. For example, we can create the only string is Sachin. It can be refer the different five variables, and when we use this five variable in different program, when anyone can change the Sachin this object's Sachin value or Sachin name, this can be affect our objects in our projects. So that's why we can be uh, keep the string immutable in Java. The advantages of string immutable is security, better performance, synchronization, and uh, uh, saving the heap memory in our Java program. First one is security. Security means we can use of the immutability provide the better security. That means when we create the password and username, when string is immutable, there is we cannot change this password and username by outside person, uh, like hackers or another person. So this can be provide our to better security. Second is better performance. Better performance means when string is immutable, there when string to value or string is same, it can be create only one object and create which refers the only reference variable. So it can be save the our memory and provide the better performance. Second one is catching. Another is a catching. Catching means we can use the string literal create the object in a string constant pool. string constant put that can be provided over the immutability in Java. Another is a synchronization. Synchronization means using safe multithreading. Safe multithreading means when we can use the string in for different threads or multi-threads. It can using immutable. We cannot be change the value of string. This is the safe multi-threading. So it is about all about the string immutable in Java. Thank you.